With the Ratchet and Clank remake approaching very soon, Insomniac has recently put out some more gameplay footage, and it's clear that this remake is changing some things up, as some planets are completely different from their originals, but a few are similar in some ways. And we wanted to show you that firsthand with a head-to-head comparison, between the original PS2 version on the left and the remake on the right. We will also go full screen with each big change that is shown.
Lasers are mounted on each ring of the Invincilock. Aim the lasers at the receptors on the outside ring to turn them green. All receptors must be green before the Invincilock will open.
Ratchet and Clank found a portable hydro displacer, designed by Dr. Nefarious. This ingenious device promised to move water from one place to the other. With just a push of a button, the duo could now fill an entire swimming pool. Originally designed to unclog Valkyrie toilets, Ratchet would find the hydro displacer invaluable in navigating the sewers of the galaxy.
We should search the area for Skid's agent.
No signal whatsoever. This downtime is killing me.
Do you need medical attention, sir?
Don't be so literal, son. The problem is I'm stranded on this backwater planet and my star client is nowhere to be found.
Hey, we saw you on that info bot. You're Skid's agent.
Was Skid's agent. Haven't seen him since our ship crashed. And an agent without a client is like a flea without a dog. Say, you look like an athletic kid. If you can bring back the championship prize from the hoverboard races in Blackwater City, I'll make you my next star.
We have no time for trivial matters, sir.
I could be the next Skid McMarks.
Yes. You know celebrities these days. They do whatever they want. We can work this out, can't we?
We'll work it out by beating.
Help! These brutes are trying to kill me!
Take out the law back!
There's more of them! Hey, get them off my back and I'll make you famous. Now that's impressive. Have either of you thought about a career in professional sports? Got it. Good work, kid. I think that's all of them. Hey, you must be the two heroes who saved my client, huh? Don't tell me. Socket and Clink.
Ratchet and Clank.
Right, beautiful. Sprocket and Plank. I like the sound of it. Real marketing potential. I could sell that. Listen, my client and I got separated in our somewhat hasty trek back to the ship. I'd go meet up with them, but this place is crawling with sand sharks. Think you can help me out?
You have nothing to fear, sir. The sand sharks have been dealt with.
Beautiful. You two have heart. I can sell that.
We are always happy to assist.
From what we can see, the Ratchet and Clank remake gives new players a great starting point to the series that have never played a Ratchet game before, and gives veterans enough of a reason to buy this game and go through Ratchet and Clank's first adventure again thanks to all the changes. Ratchet and Clank blasts off on April 12th in the US and April 20th in most of Europe. For more on games and entertainment, subscribe and go to thenerdstash.com.